Okay, I have to restart it because I accidentally hit the stop button. Okay, I am back. Okay. And today I am cooking. I am not cooking anything, but I am making a snack. It's peanut butter and celery. I'm sorry about that. My thing turned off. Well, I didn't. I accidentally turned it off.
And I am making egg salad.
Yes, she's making egg salad. It's not so good. It's eggs. And then for my brother,
You want saltine cracker with
peanut butter.
I will get the crackers.
And I will make him. I'll put it on the
Put
peanut.
it on a plate and take it to him because he's lazy and he didn't make it any further than the couch downstairs.
Yep. So again, I'm making this with my grandma, with her supervision. I don't really need her supervision because I have not.
I'm retired. I'm not a supervisor anymore.
Yeah, my grandma retired yesterday. Forgot to tell you guys about that.
You're gonna have a little celery with your peanut butter. Did you get it? Celery.
I want a little celery.
It's a little celery with your peanut butter.
And then this is what your snack should look like. Oh! All the peanut butter. It's coming off. Stay still. I need a plate. Paper plate.
Down there, bottom left. Right there. Wow.
What?
Well, I'm still on alerts from work when they have problems, so I can see that they're having problems. You guys are going to come over and mow grass.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. I told Grandpa I can help doing grass too.
Your snack's done.
Did you get him a napkin? He needs a napkin with the peanut butter.
I said, why in the world can't we bring the rest of Europe? You've got young guys like Ballesteros and Langer.
I'm coming to get his napkin.
Add to what you're doing.
Otherwise, he'll wipe it on his shorts. Like he does. On that top. Alrighty. Star of the show is back.
What?
You. The star.
I will help you now. Making. Why? Sorry. Bye.